What's going on, Rejuvenation? I'm Jordan and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Care Academy. Today we're going to be taking on these trashed all white Converse that we had our editor wear. He completely roughed these up. Looks like he wore them in a mechanic shop. Then we told him to get them a little bit dirty because they just weren't dirty enough for our liking, and he did just that. We're going to be cleaning these up using a couple different Rejuvenator products, but the main star will be the Rejuvenator Signature Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything that you need to clean over 50 pairs of shoes, whether you're doing a quick clean or a deep clean. This is by far the best kit to use. And with this canvas material, it is a must. So without further ado, let's get into this cleaning. So before we set up our cleaning station, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. We drop new videos every Monday and every Thursday where we walk you through customs and restorations as well as cleaning and a ton of different short form right here on this channel. If you like today's video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment, let us know what you want us to clean next, and who knows, we might just clean that sneaker. Let's set up this cleaning station. And just like that, the cleaning station is set up with everything that comes in our signature cleaning kit, as well as a couple other products. We have our 3 different brushes, soft, medium, and stiff, our microfiber towel, our 4-ounce cleaning solution, which can clean up to 50 pairs of sneakers, and our adjustable shoe tree to adjust from a size 6 to a size 12. We also have our sneaker laundry bag because this material is 100% going to need the washing machine. We paired this with our drying rack and bowl combo to hold our water, as well as our brushes during and after the cleaning, our cleaning mat to keep our station completely clean, and the best product on the Rejuvenator lineup, which is the Rejuvenator laundry pods. They smell amazing. You can pick up everything and more at rejuvenator.com. Use my link in the description to save 10% off. Now, let's get into this. All right, you already know we only clean one sneaker, so for before and after purposes, let's just get this one out of the way. Let's remove these laces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. Laces are removed, now we can fully see this tongue. To give the proper deep clean, let's insert this adjustable shoe tree. These are a size 9, so we're just gonna be adjusting to size. It's about the 5th hole, I believe. Now we can apply as much pressure onto this toe box during the cleaning. All right, shoe tree's inserted, laces are out, and the laces are soaking in our bowl of water. They are white, super dingy, so we're gonna allow them to soak for the whole cleaning. Now, let's just add 2 squirts of solution to our bowl of water. Solution's in the bowl. Our solution is highly concentrated. You don't need to use half the bottle. All you need is 2 squirts with a 4-ounce bowl of solution, and you'll be good to go. Now, let's tackle this canvas upper as well as this rubber toe cap using the soft bristle brush. Now for the Converse, the materials are a little bit flimsier than the Jordans that we're used to. So I'm just putting my hand underneath the material and really pushing it out so that I can apply more pressure into the materials. This technique is a preference, but it'll just really help get a deeper clean on the canvas materials. We're all done using the soft bristle brush. Now this rubber toe cap cleaned up really good. The canvas still looking a little bit dingy, but the washing machine is really going to flush that out. Let's dry off this sneaker and all of the suds that the soft bristle brush made. Well, these kind of look like gray Converse. Well, these kind of look like gray Converse after the first pass of the soft bristle brush. So we're gonna be moving on to the medium bristle brush. We'll take on this rubber midsole, and then we'll re-go over the canvas materials just one more time to see if we can get it a little bit cleaner before we throw it in the washing machine. Well, I mentioned earlier that the material on the sneaker is a little bit flimsier than we're used to when we're cleaning Jordans, just not as stiff, but the canvas is super durable. So we went ahead and used the medium bristle brush. Medium brush is our middle of the road, all-purpose brush, probably the best one to clean your sneakers. Hit the entire uppers on that canvas material. There is absolutely no damage to the material, no fraying, anything like that, and then took on the rubber midsoles to get that grease and grime out of that white rubber. All right, all done with the medium bristle brush. We went over the rubber toe cap again, as well as the midsole. Overall, that is shining pretty white, but the canvas is still looking very gray. So the laundry system is going to be the key for this. canvas materials in general are really tricky. They really soak up all the dirt, grease, grime, whatever you may step in, and especially because this sneaker is white. So with the laundry system, we're gonna fully flush out that canvas material. It might need 2 washes if we're being honest, or the light box to really whiten up the sneakers since they were super trash, but we'll really see once we're all done with that laundry system. Now, let's tackle the outsole and go over the midsole one more time using the stiff bristle brush. Now, the reason that I chose to use the stiff bristle brush for the midsole again is because of the textured toe box. Now, there is still a ton of trapped in grease and grime stuck in that texture, so I just wanted to use a little bit of a stiffer brush and see if I can get it out. And then tackling the outsole, cleaning the outsole of your sneaker, some people don't agree with, it really is just to finish the job of the disinfectant. All right, there's still some heel drag on this sneaker as well as a little bit of trapped in dirt up here. So we're using the microfiber towel trick. We're just gonna stick the microfiber towel in some water in solution, put your finger in it, and just apply some pressure on the toe box and that back piece just to try to get the rest of those stains out. So the main benefit that I find in using the microfiber towel trick is that I can really just spot clean specific areas on the sneaker. Now, you don't want to use the tip of your nail because it won't work, but you can use the back of your knuckle or your fingertip and really just get into all of that deeper staining, and it'll most likely remove it. Didn't do 100% of the job, but looks a lot better. All right, shoes inserted with the laundry pod and the laces in the pouch. Now we are all ready to head to the washing machine. We're gonna be washing this sneaker on a normal cycle with cold water, and then we'll allow it to dry and check out the results. We're back. We went ahead and let the shoe dry overnight after it went through the wash cycle, and I gotta say it cleaned up a lot better than expected. I was expecting some yellowing on the canvas and some of those grease stains to really stay trapped in this canvas material, but it looks 100 times better. The only thing is there is some deep stains stuck right here in this canvas as well as on the toe area. So we're gonna go ahead, give it one more clean, throw it in the washing machine again just to see the results. Before we do that, let's check out the before and afters from the first wash. I'd say the signature kit did pretty good. Let's clean this sneaker again. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it looks like our editor wore these things to the mechanic shop or something, but he did change his brakes in them, and there is some really trapped in oil or grease in the stitching as well as the canvas. We've been scrubbing it. It doesn't look like it's lightening up a lot, so I'm hoping the washing machine does the trick. However, if not, we will have to use this steamer just to get those oil stains out. After all, there are always stains that are gonna stick in these materials. Pre-treatment is completed. We're going to put these in the washing machine again. So we're gonna insert them into our laundry bag. I did leave the shoe tree inserted to help hold the shape of the sneaker in the wash. We're gonna lock this down, add our laces, and we'll wash it on a normal cycle with cold water using the Reshoevn8r laundry detergent pods. All right, while the shoes are in the washing machine, we're gonna go ahead and answer a couple of your guys' questions. We do read all of your comments and try to actively respond, whether that is just commenting back to you or responding in video form. Kale Hanpiper 9955, sorry if I said your username wrong, asked what the best washing machine process was for washing sneakers. Now, when we wash sneakers, we always wash it on a normal cycle or a quick wash. Cold water, never wash your shoes with anything other than cold water, and then allow them to air dry or use a fan, use the sun. Don't ever put your sneakers in the dryer. It will cause damage to your shoes. What's the best method for drying canvas shoes? Now, as I mentioned, you don't want to put your canvas shoes in the dryer or any shoes. It can shrink them, it can cause the glue to melt. There's just a lot of damage that can come along with it. So we highly recommend allowing shoes to air dry in the sun, in front of a fan, or just set them anywhere in your house as long as you are not putting them in the dryer. As I mentioned, our editor did wear these to get them dirty. He wore them while changing his brakes, walking his dog, and a whole bunch of other things to completely trash this all white Converse. But as you can see, the signature cleaning kit did a great job. We achieved these results using a whole bunch of Reshoevn8r products. So the main component of this was going to be the Reshoevn8r Signature Cleaning Kit. We are the world's first and only padded sneaker laundry system, and you can find all of that right here in one kit. We also paired this with our cleaning mat to keep our cleaning station nice and clean during the cleaning, our drying rack and bowl combo to hold our brushes, water, and solution during the cleaning, and we will also leave our brushes in this now that we're all done. And finally, the best product on the Reshoevn8r lineup, the sneaker laundry detergent pods. They smell amazing. You can pick up all of this and so much more at reshoevn8r.com. Use my link in the description to save 10% off. What do you guys call these? Drop a comment. I hear a lot of Chucks, Converse. I personally used to wear these all the time until I hit about 25 and realized that they are not comfortable at all. So if you're over the age of 25 still rocking these, I give you props. All right, before we head out of here, we have one more very special announcement. We are live in Costco, exclusive with this kit. You won't find it anywhere else. If you head to our website and type in Costco or just hit the Costco page, you will see our entire store locator. Find out if there's Costco near you. Features our 8-ounce bottle of solution. You can clean over 100 pairs of shoes, 3 different brushes, microfiber towel, deodorizer, and repellent to finish the job when you're all done cleaning. But we are going to be giving one lucky winner on the channel a kit. Drop a comment, let me know where you're from, and we will pick one person 24 hours after this video drops. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you guys again soon in the next Shoe Care Academy video. Bye!